I read a post on LinkedIn this week that said, times are tough and they're getting tougher. I've gotten through 4 or 5 recessions, 2 of which I had 24 employees at the time. Yeah, those were tough times. But here's what I learned and apply today. There has never been more opportunity for more people to be successful in business and in life. Technology has shrunk the world to where you can do business from your bedroom in Atlanta, Georgia, with someone in Fujian province in China. I know, because I have. If you think times are tough and getting tougher, you'll be right. If you think now is the time, skill and effort gets the deals, you'll be right. If you think your competitor is in the corner crying, woe is me, and now is the time to hustle and get more customers, you'll be right again. Whatever you think, you will be right. It always comes back to, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it. You're capable of incredible things, but you need to believe it, and you need to act upon them. So here's your action item and mission, should you decide to accept it. Turn off the TV and decide what you want this year, and get after it. Dr. Henry Link said, we generate fears while we sit. We overcome them by action. It's time to take action. There are plenty of people sitting around freaking out. Do a good deed. Help them out and share this video. Remember, one hand washes the other, and together they get clean. Thanks for watching. Have a really rewarding week, and I'll see you next time. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Just a couple of clicks can help someone rise up and get it done. Thanks.